Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. I hope all of you had a great Christmas weekend and are gearing up for the New Year too. So if you are planning to have some guests over for New Year, I'm going to share the recipe of a tasty dessert today. Well, another one this month I would say. It's a sticky toffee pudding. So the primary ingredient in this is dates, and it's topped with a delicious toffee sauce. So let's check out the recipe for the sticky toffee pudding. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do like and share the videos too. The first step for making this pudding is to soak dates in hot water. Now the quantity of dates I've taken, I've measured it before de-seeding it. So after that I've de-seeded it and chopped it into small pieces. Into this we'll be adding some hot boiling water and baking soda and let it sit there till you prepare the rest of the batter. So that will soften the dates by the time it's ready to add to the batter. The butter is at room temperature and soft, so beat this well before adding in the sugar. Once the butter and sugar are well incorporated, add in the eggs along with the vanilla essence. So into this batter goes in the dry ingredients. So for this, I've taken flour and we'll add baking powder and a pinch of salt to this. Mix it up well and add it to the batter. Mix this well. So this will look quite dry. Now into this we'll add the dates mix. Mix it till you see no dry streaks of the flour. Make sure your oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to pour this into a square tin. You can also use ramekins. So I'll probably pour a little into a square tin and rest into some ramekins. So I generally prefer greasing the bowls in which you're baking this properly. Grease your dish with butter or oil. I'm using oil today. This pudding takes about 25 minutes in the oven. A skewer inserted should come out clean. So depending on the thickness of the pudding that you've poured into your baking dish, it could take a little more or less time also. So keep an eye on it from the 20-minute mark onwards. Now, as soon as it is baked and it comes out, you need to poke it with a skewer and pour a little bit of toffee sauce all over it. Not the entire quantity, but a little bit, and then it goes back into the oven for another 5 minutes to soak up all that goodness. The recipe for toffee sauce has already been shared, so please do check that out as well. And of course, to serve it, you can drizzle more toffee sauce and serve it with a scoop of ice cream.